When I first decided that I wanted to sell magnetic lashes in Jamaica, one of my major concerns was how would I get the product to Jamaica within a reasonable time frame and at a reasonable cost. My mom introduced me to Shop and Relax, and I have been shipping with them since April 2021. To date, I have shipped with them 48 times. I can guarantee that my product will leave USA on a Wednesday, it will get to Jamaica the following Monday, and it will clear custom and be ready for delivery to my sales agent that same week. Unlike other shipping companies, Shop and Relax will not give you excuses. They get the job done. Thank you, Shop and Relax, for your low rates. Thank you for your efficient service. I really appreciate it.